Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Audi A3 Sport. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 60 miles per gallon. So a really good balance there between performance and economy. The insurance group is 24 and road tax is just £20 a year, and the car's covered just over 21,000 miles. This particular colour is called Brilliant Black and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As you have inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats are really supportive, and you've got a armrest there in the centre for the driver. Onto the dashboard, you've got a pop-up display which shows your satellite navigation, DAB radio and also Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features there. Being the 5-door version, you have good access there into the back for rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and I see the car's still got the original Audi carpet floor mats there as well. And as we open the tailgate, you have the good size boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And you also have the adjustable floor with a spare saver there and just underneath, so that's really good to see. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we'll have finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.